adapter is a commonly used fiber optic connector that enables reliable connections between optical fibers. Hold the ST connector and ensure that the exposed part of the fiber is smooth and clean. Inspect the ST adapter to ensure that its slot is clean and free from dust. Then, insert the plug of the ST connector into the slot of the adapters. Ensure that the plug aligns with the slot and gently push it in until the plug is fully inserted into the adapter. After inserting the ST connector, check the connection for firmness. Gently pull on the connector to ensure that it is not loose. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.